How to use Mailchimp. All you need to do is simply sign up for Mailchimp.com. Once you've signed up and you've signed into your account, you're dropped at the home section. On the home section, you can simply follow the onboarding process that just involves creating an account, adding your contacts, adding an app, authenticating your domain, and importing your brand. Now, this would take a few seconds to a minute depending on what you want to do. So I would suggest adding a contact first, as that way you can go ahead creating emails or newsletters that you would likely share to your audience. So in order to create, an audience or have people you can share your information with, head over to the audience menu, go ahead and click on add contacts. And now you're shown the option to either import from another service, upload a file, or copy and paste. I would go with the copy and paste option and click on continue. And then you're shown an example, enter their email address, their first name, last name, and an address. So you can do something of this sort here and simply click on continue, which is what I'm going to be filling in the blank space with. All right, and once you're done filling in the details, go ahead and click on continue. And then where we have organizing your contacts, just continue again. And now you can create tags for your contacts. Either you set them up as customers, 2026, staff, member. Let's just keep it at customer. And then click on continue. And then all you need to do is transfer your data, like the last name, first name, everything here is settled. Go ahead and click on continue. And now subscribe contacts to marketing. So you can select an email marketing status if they are subscribed, unsubscribed, non-subscribed, or clean. So let's just click on subscribe and then click on finalize import. And boom, we have a contact now. So let's go ahead and click on complete. And now all we need to do here is simply click on email your contact, or you could just simply click on exit. Once you've exited this menu, just head over to the home section, click on create email here. Once we've filled in all of this info, where we already have email designs, you could click on get started to begin designing your newsletter, but click on skip for now. And then you're going to be shown how you want to design from scratch, basic layout, fully designed templates. I would prefer you go for this option. So you can go with this option, and I'll be closing this out here. And now all you need to do is where we have recipients, you can now select the recipients you want to send to. That's people that have emails. So you can click on add contacts to simply add new contacts to the platform. By default, the to section is already cleared up, and the from is from your email. And then you can also include a subject line for your email, and then the send time is we're sending right now. And then you can design your email. So in order to design it, we had already opened this in a new tab, but you're going to need to own an upgraded Mailchimp in order to design this newsletter and include your company name, logo, and other information. But you can click on preview to simply preview it. But once you're done designing your email, it's going to appear here. Just go ahead and click send, and it's going to be sent to the various accounts. Thank you.